WPS500 pressure transducer, now looking at DPF back pressure. Let's have a look at the animation and see how we apply the transducer in this scenario. So here we have 4-cylinder diesel and we're looking at differential DPF pressure. And we can see there that the pressure is starting to build. Warning light has come on. And as a result now it's performing a regen. And we see there now that the pressure is coming down to 3 psi. Everything's working fine in that scenario. How would we apply the transducer? So we'll use the pressure tap here and we'll take off the pipe to the differential pressure sensor before the DPF. Switch on the pressure transducer. Ensure it runs through its calibration there. Test port is open to atmosphere. Range 3 in this scenario. Connect to the pressure tap and then connect to Pico and start the engine. Now here we have a good system, so we'll do a wide open throttle stationary from idle and we'll capture peak pressure. And now we'll run the same test but with contamination. So let's just look at what's happened here at the DPF. So the warning light has come on. It's beyond passive generation. And here we see the contaminants starting to build. Yeah, and wide open throttle, the pressures are most certainly different. Let's have a look at the waveform and compare these two side by side. The waveforms we saw in the animation are both overlaid here, so we can see the good vehicle against the bad. So here we have the good vehicle with a peak pressure. This is wide open throttle from idle at 71 millibar. And then this huge difference here on the bad vehicle with the contaminated DPF at 228 millibar. Now bear in mind these are both free revving from idle, so this is a vehicle stationary. It may be that the vehicle won't allow you to rev stationary in the workshop, so the beauty of the WPS is you can go on road test with it secured safely under the vehicle and capture wide open throttle under full load, where you'll get a real representation of DPF back pressure. Connecting the WPS to existing DPF pressure sensing hoses allows the pressure transducer to not only qualify the values obtained from the differential pressure sensor, but also provide instantaneous absolute back pressure values in relation to engine speed and load.